So let's get caught up on Vlogmases, y'all. 14, 15, 16, and 17. Ha ha! Hi, y'all. It's Neva from Madam Mama Musings, and I know, where have I been? Well, I missed 4 days. It's been cold at night, so my body hurts. I think I told y'all LJ's uncle passed, and then while they were headed into the funeral, they called to say another one of his mom's brothers passed. They were both his mom's brothers, his uncles. So today was the funeral for the second brother. Just, nothing bad, just feeling kind of bleh from the cold and stuff like that. So, I want to show you my blanket before I forget because I have been working on it. I don't remember where it was the last time you saw it, but I have added to it. So, it is getting a little bit of length to it. I've not caught up to the days that I've missed because I've been putting 4 rows a day. And it's fine if I finish early, which it doesn't look like I'm going to. But if I was going to, it would have been fine if I finished early for the simple fact, y'all don't mind that noise back there? That's Sasha eating out of her little bowl that my friend gave her. No. Okay, all kinds of noises. Sorry. But yeah, so yeah. It's almost a lap gown size now, and I want it longer. I want it to like cover. If I were laid down, I want it to cover from my toes to right here. So I got a little ways to go. And if it goes into January, that's fine too. Although I have some starts for January I gotta talk to y'all about. But yeah, so there's that. There's my blanket. My Scroogey Grinchmas blanket is what I'm calling it. Now, I have some clips. I got Happy Mail today. I did open this without y'all. My beautiful friend Anne, who sometimes watches my videos, sometimes doesn't. She's the one that makes the beautiful jewelry. Well, I don't know if y'all know this. Elephants are my favorite animal. Like, I love all animals, but elephants are so smart and they're just amazing. Do research on them. No. Pause it. Okay, so I love elephants. Do some research on them. They're absolutely amazing animals. So very smart, loving, just... Anyway, look, y'all. And it's in oranges. Well, oranges and yellows, but orange makes me think of my beautiful... What do you... Hold it up a little bit. My beautiful friend Lisa. Because orange is her favorite color. So here, I'll just... Well, anyway. I'm going to put it on right now. But isn't that pretty, y'all? Thank you, Anne. I don't know if you're watching, but thank you. It's beautiful. I will message you as soon as the video's over, but I love it, y'all. I love it a lot. Okay, so now I did my socks earlier today, and I've got my Swap with Bella from Bella's Crochet Gifts. Noises, go figure. Y'all, she's so talented, and I'm just always in awe of her. Please go check her out. Like, she is so freaking awesome. She's a wonderful person. She's one of those people, to me, the first time I watched her, I was like, this is somebody I could watch every day and just listen to her talk about her crochet stuff. She has this real soothing voice. Anyhow, enough gushing about Bella, although I could gush for a long time. I do truly love her. I consider her my friend. I feel privileged that she's my friend. Anyway, we swapped. Y'all don't mind whatever Hagrid's doing back there, okay? Because there's no telling. We're all on one at the house today, as far as animals go. And here's Max. I love Max. I want to get, I want to crochet one of the little antler and stick it on top of my dog Baby's head because I think she would make a really cute Max. And I want to do that for Christmas. So that's probably not going to get done. But I probably need to do it this year. Just because she's not doing too good. She's older. I love this maker of pretty things. I love that. I like that a lot. Hagrid, none of this is for you. Yarn. I can never have enough yarn, and cotton yarn is something I didn't have a lot of there for a while, and now I'm finding that I really enjoy working with it, at least for like washcloths and stuff. So yeah, I didn't make a lot of washcloths, and I was like, you know what, when we need some washcloths, why not crochet some up? They'll be prettier than the ones you get in the store. What? So, no, you cannot. No blanket, Hagrid. Here, sit here and help me. She sent me a Chalgoo needles, guys. Premium stainless steel. I got another nice set of needles. Oh, thank you. And then she sent me the, you know, stitch marker. You hold your spot. Thank you, Bella. Thank you. That's got to go on my tree. I'm not going to show y'all the tree till I have all the Grinches on there. So y'all can see that there's no room for a Gothmas tree this year. It's simply my Grinchmas tree, which is great because it goes with my theme. So I'm loving it though, because it's covered in Grinch except for Eeyore. So, well, and one other thing. You'll see when I'm going to show you the whole thing once I have them all on there. Because I don't want Bella to see it till it's all on there, because I want her to get the full effect all at once. I wanted lights for my tree, but I wanted all red ones because I thought it'd look cool on the black tree. And well, the only all red lights they had left at Walmart had the white. No, Sasha! No, Sasha!
Sasha, no.
Oh my gosh, pause it. So sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to speed this up. And this one is heavy. Very heavy. Very, very heavy. And here's the Grinch. This is Merry Christmas. Probably should have gone on the last. Oh, what? I thought it felt like a. I love this smell. Oh my goodness, that smells absolutely amazing. It's peppermint bark, y'all. I'm gonna have to light this in a little bit. Oh. And it does. It smells like peppermint and like chocolate, like white chocolate, peppermint. Oh my goodness, I gotta light that sucker. Thank you. It says Ashland Christmas jar candle. Peppermint bark. Oh, it smells. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. Well, some people don't like. I like to smell it. It smells like peppermint candy. I'm gonna light this. I haven't been showing you what I've been drinking. This morning I just drank a regular coffee with pumpkin spice. And Sasha, okay, you want to be in the? Come on, you can be in the video. Or okay, you just wanted to interrupt. I got it. Can you sit? Oh, come here. Anyway, I had just regular coffee. And we had some abuelita hot cocoa the other night. Golly, y'all, that stuff's good. I think I'm going to send Bella a box of that because I think she'll like it. But anyway, so I love y'all. I'm wrapping it up. There's some clips in here and then some pictures like always at the end. I love y'all. Mwah. I forgot to talk about the Friendmas blanket, which is the Scroogey Grinchmas blanket I'm making. A bunch of my friends are joining me, and I will link them all below, along with the tutorial I'm following from Bag a Day. Okay, I think I remembered everything now. Shout out for today is Nova Gnome Creations, and she's just awesome, y'all. She does tutorials. She makes some really cool gnomes, hence her name. And she's been doing shout outs all of December also, so please go check her out. She'll be linked down below. I haven't shown y'all what we've had for dinner lately. I made chili. Was it last night, babe?
Yes.
I made 3-bean chili. It has pinto beans, kidney beans, and black beans in it with some vegetarian meat substitute. And then, of course, we added cheese to it. Well, chili's always better the second day around. So this is day 2 of the chili. It came out so good. It's been so cold here at night that you need something warm in your tummy for dinner. Okay, so there's my rocks that I was behind on. This first one really is kind of pretty, and it's actually a real rock. this, okay, so here's this one. And the color's not showing, but it's kind of a pinky, peachy color. And it's kind of pretty. Don't mind my fingers. They do this in the wintertime all the time. All janky looking. And then there's these, which I told you I'm going to put these in like a jar or something just to look pretty. There's this one that looks like sea glass, and I do love sea glass. Like I said, anyone want to send me sea glass, go for it, because I am nowhere near the ocean. And then there's this rock. So there's my rocks for today. Y'all love my pet hair? Fun. Okay, so here's my 2 days of socks that I'm catching up. I got penguins again and hot cocos with a candy cane in them. Now I want a candy cane, but yeah. So penguins and hot cocoa. Sounds legit. Sounds like they go together to me. I'd like to drink hot cocoa with a penguin. Just saying.
Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing of the Pokemon Advent. So I've missed quite a few days, as you can tell. So 34, 50, 60, 17. We're going to start with 13. I should open these off camera, but I didn't. So I wanted to share the moment with you too. Get out of here. It feels like a snake. Oh, it's Arbok. It's a cobra-looking one. Look at that. This is one of my favorites. He looks neat. And he's the right color. All right, let's see what 14 has. Sorry if I'm just going to blitz through these. I'm trying to catch up, and I want to see what's in there. Gothita, I think her name is. It looks like a little goth girl, like Wednesday Addams, if she was a Pokemon. Cool, alright. Actually, it kind of reminds me of a monster from Real Monsters. Y'all remember that show? I'm a 90s child. Firo! Oh, this is cool. I used to have one of these on my party a long time ago. Cool, man. That's a cool bird. Firo. Oh, I still play red version today, in case you're wondering. Get out of there. I have big fat fingers. Staryu. Oh, this is cool. There's a bigger version called Starmie that looks really neat. This looks like an alien, huh? Yeah, it does. All sorts of classics. Classics. Okay, here we go. 17. Drum roll, please. Who's this? I'll be honest, I don't know who this is. Probably from a generation I haven't played, but it looks like a turtle of some sort. So yeah, we're going to look it up and see who he is. Thank you for watching, and see you later.